Hey, what's up guys, my name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to quickly explain what the new Google tag is, and if you are experiencing the missing tag, that says like Google Analytics GA4 configuration, then the new update is that Google has now migrated from GA4 configuration tag to, it's simply called as a Google tag. So what does that mean? Basically, they are trying to combine it together into a simplified name, and essentially it will allow you to install your Google Analytics 4 using the Google tag. You can set the variables. So with Google tag and GA4 events, it will allow you to reuse parameters at the configuration level and event level, and there are a few other updates. So let me show you like what I mean by this combination. So let's say I'm planning to install Google Analytics 4, right? Let's take that as the first example. In the past, when you click on new, you need to of course name it as GA4 base setup, and then when you click on tag configuration, you will typically click on GA4 and it will say GA4 configuration tag, right? Now in this case, what you need to do is you need to just simply select Google tag, and that's it. And then the rest of the steps are pretty straightforward. The only value that this Google tag requires is the tag ID. So if you click on this question mark, it will tell you like it's basically the measurement ID that you can get from Google Analytics. So if I go to this help article, let's see, this is for Google Ads, and let's see, yeah, what is Google tag ID? Okay, as you can see, it's basically the G dash version or the AW version for AdWords. So if I go back to my Google Analytics 4 account, I just need to click on data streams, click on the property, and then copy this and go back to your Google Ads account, Google Tag Manager account, and this is where you will paste that, and that's pretty much it. So it's as simple as that. You don't need to make any changes to it. So if you want to install your Google Analytics 4 tag in your Google Tag Manager account, you just need to select Google tag and then paste in the measurement ID that you can get from your GA4 property. Now I'm not gonna get into configuration settings and shared event settings, that's for another video, but you can leave this as it is. Click on triggering all pages, hit save, and then you're good to go. So if I basically click on preview and then okay, come on, yep, preview, and then if I maybe just go and visit this page, tag assistant, and you can see that Google Analytics 4 has been fired. Now the other thing I want to share with you is, let's take an close this out and click on new tag, and let's say in this case I want to track button, right? So for example, GA4 button tracking, and then in this case I'm going to say contact us button. I'm going to click on track tag configuration, and in this case Google Analytics, and you will select Google Analytics GA4 event, and over here you need to again paste in your measurement ID. So look what happens when I paste it. It says Google tag found in this container, and then the rest of the setup will remain the same. So in your trigger configuration, if it's button click, you need to create a new variable. If you don't know how to do that, I have a separate video. If you are tracking file downloads, you can choose that trigger. If it's something else, like for example, I already have like a view courses button click, so I'm going to select this, hit save, and publish. So that's a quick video, guys, on how to use a new Google tag that has been updated by Google. I know it's confusing. I don't know why they keep changing this entire ecosystem from GA4 to Tag Manager, but here we are. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time. Thank you.